Welcome to our family tree die. How would you like to make these most beautiful three-dimensional family trees? Yes, it doesn't have to be a family tree, okay? Now there's so many dies in this collection, so let me show you the dies that you're actually getting. You're getting the huge tree of life. You're getting the cat and dog, the little halos, the little family brackets in there, but you can see you've got all the base plates to add to it as well. Now you can see that I do have a three-dimensional version here. I do have one within our tailored frames as well, but I'm going to quickly show you how to put this one together. It's so easy, okay? It is so easy. So all you're going to do is cut 4 of those trees out. Now they're symmetrical. There's also a little score line, let me open this up, that goes all the way through that centre should you want it, okay? And then it's just a case. I'm not going to stick it all down because, let's face it, we'll be here till year dot. All you're going to do is you're going to place your adhesive on there. You're going to stick one directly over its friend. I like to do it in 2 halves, okay? I like to do one, put it to one side and then bring the other one in. So bring that adhesive. Obviously you're going to stick every single petal down on there, but just so that I can show you, one directly on top of the other, and then we're going to stick that whole thing onto its friend. So then this one is going to stick onto the top of there, just like that. And then once that's stuck and you open it out, you're going to find that you have got 4 little branches of the tree. You're going to stick that one to that one there, and you can see how you've got that beautiful family tree, tree of life. You decide. But also, if you've got a teenage daughter, what about hanging earrings on it? It would look lovely as a earring holder as well. But that's the tree of life, whether you have it 3D or whether you have it singly, that's entirely up to you. But I have to say, it's beautiful.